Tips and Tricks with Charlie and Noah. Charlie, why should our customers finance with us here at Short-Redmond Ford?
Yeah, so we hear that a lot. A lot of customers say, I'm getting my own financing. Somehow the banking industry has made us think that's better. Because let's be honest, car dealerships don't have a great name over the history of doing car business. So, the consumer just wants to make sure they're getting a fair shot, so they feel more comfortable knowing their local lender or banker. However, those guys, Noah, they go straight by the book. I mean, they have a policy to go by and guidelines. And with a dealership, you have to think that we send them deals every day. You're a guy, or a normal person does a deal every couple, 3 years.
Yeah, normally you're right. Normally I would go to my home bank. I would be getting a loan from them because I feel like they're going to treat me better than a dealership. Is that true? Is that something that's possible?
Well, listen, everybody can be nice to you at the bank, and we hope that we're nice to people here. Yeah. Here's what I think: if you want to save time and get it's really, we want to say it's the same rate. But honestly, where we send banks so many deals and credit unions so many deals, I have seen a lot of times where they may not qualify for the best rate, but we get what's called maybe a tier bump, and they will put that customer in that category just as a favor to us.
Yeah.
Because we click them so many times to send them new customers. That's kind of a way of helping us to get a lower payment for a customer, make it good for everybody.
Nice. Okay. So the next question I've got for you, it kind of goes hand in hand with financing. Why should someone bring their vehicle to us and trade it in versus selling it on Facebook Marketplace or on a third-party place like that?
Well, that's a good question. I mean, simply because the customer thinks, well, if I trade it in, they're going to give me less because the dealership still has to make money. Have you ever heard them say that?
Yeah. Oh, I have.
So, and you probably thought that. The money can be a little less, Noah, sometimes, but however, you get, especially in Tennessee, if you're trading in a state that has a trade difference tax credit, a lot of people don't know that you get a big tax break by trading. So say your Jeep was worth 35 grand.
Okay.
And somebody said, no, I'll give you the 35 grand. Well, you sell that, you come in and you buy a car, you're paying all the taxes.
Yeah.
If you trade it, maybe I give you 34, but you're saving almost $2,600 in taxes. So you then take that 34, add the $2,600 that you're saving, your value, as KBB does it, is $36,500.
So it's more.
So you're making $1,500 more at the end of the day.
Awesome.
When you trade. So, and it's a little confusing, but that's why it's important to find a dealership that you trust and a person to do business with.
Yeah.
That really wants to take care of you and do a good job for you. Because at the end of the day, that's what it's about.
I like that, Charlie.
Yeah.
Well, that's little tips and tricks with Charlie and Noah. See you on the next episode.
All right. See you guys.